Oh, sorry, my phone just went off. Hello, what is up? This is I need Jamar, and today I'm showing you the difference between the quality of my microphone. So what I've done here is get out my phone, turn it on, turn it down though, and I'm gonna record something on my phone, right? And then I'm going to play it back 4 times. And what's gonna happen to me, same volume. And so what I'm going to do is record in QuickTime or whatever with the internal microphone. Then with the Blue Snowball setting number 1, then setting number 2, then setting number 3. So I'm just going to take a little recording of myself and my sounds, looking up to more, record new, yeah. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I am recording right now, but on a phone, so hopefully the playback will be able to be heard. Alright, this will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so you know it can be like 15 seconds, 3, 2, 1, boom, bye. Pretty good, you know, just saying. Turn it up full sound. Hold on. So this is the only way that I know how to do like a test that's like not like changing at all, like independent variable, right? Yeah, okay. Let's listen. I am recording right now, but on the phone, so hopefully the playback will be able to be heard. Oh. Alright, this will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so you know it can be like 15 seconds, 3, 2, 1, boom, bye. That sounded awful, but I don't care. So let's just repeat it over and over again. Different microphones. So see you guys later. Bye. I am recording right now, but on the phone, so hopefully the playback will be able to be heard. Alright, this will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so you know it can be like 15 seconds, 3, 2, 1, boom, bye. I am recording right now, but on the phone, so hopefully the playback will be able to be heard. Alright, this will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so you know it can be like 15 seconds, 3, 2, 1, boom, bye. I am recording right now, but on the phone, so hopefully the playback will be able to be heard. Alright, this will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so you know it can be like 15 seconds, 3, 2, 1, boom, bye. I am recording right now, but on the phone, so hopefully the playback will be able to be heard. Alright, this will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so you know it can be like 15 seconds, 3, 2, 1, boom, bye. Alright, so as you can hear, they were all terrible, but that was the only fair way I could do it, and my microphone is terrible on my phone. So I personally like the first and second one. Second one I think picks up more of the voice, but third one is louder. It's like you can actually I don't know. And first is Anyway, so I don't know. Post in the comments what you think is best. Hopefully your ears don't bleed or are bleeding at the moment. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, and if you guys have any other suggestions to do it, like I'll just probably delete this video or not delete, but make another video by me just talking, so I can use I don't know. I might have to repeat it, I don't know. But you know what? No, never mind. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, bye.